I have to admit, I was a little bit underwhelmed by all of the responses from the people that I take care of here on the homestead yesterday to my exciting book, Weed Free Gardening. So I started with the goats. I went back and I had a quick conversation, just a little heart to heart, and I was like, Goats, don't you realize that weed free gardening is how I grow all of your food? And they got like this confused look, and then they kind of got this realization, and then they were like, oh, we thought you wanted to get rid of weeds. I was like, maybe in the garden where I grow human vegetables, but not in your pasture. In your pasture, weeds are the thing that I feed you with, and I love that I can grow them so well. So I think once they understood that weed-free gardening isn't just about removing weeds, it's also about encouraging beneficial weeds in the places that you can't really grow other stuff, they were really on board. Here, let me show you how they reacted. All right, guys, so now that you know I'm not trying to get rid of all the plants in your pasture, which are not weeds, what do you think of this? Abby, do you love weed-free gardening? Violette, do you love weed-free gardening? Jaws, you're loving it, aren't you? Everybody loves weed-free gardening, guys. They will not leave me alone now that they know what it's about.